That takes me to the rate of tax, and as I told you, the rates of tax today are varied, and we now are looking at a grand marriage, also looking at a revenue neutral rate. And when you are looking at a revenue neutral rate, it will definitely depend on what constitutes all of this, what all is going to go in your exemption basket. So the principle at the committee is clear. On an overall basis, the governments don't want more money, but they don't want less money also. They want the revenue to be neutral. At the same time, initially the informal reports which came out was suggesting a 27% revenue neutral rate. And that is where the finance minister chipped in. He said that no, there's some mistake in it. There was an official report which said 27%, and the finance minister knew it's not workable. Things will just not work. So he stepped in between, and he said that this is not workable. Relook at your assumptions, relook at your presumptions, and there was a specific committee set to decide the mandate. And there we are getting a feeler that it will be between 18 and 20. And this is one of the bone of contentions. In fact, the opposition party is worried about this aspect to some extent at least, and saying that there has to be a cap on the rate. This is one of the bone of contention between the opposition and the ruling party as of now. Of course, the ruling party has its own thoughts. It says that if I put it in the constitution, it becomes sacrosanct, and there can be emergencies, and you cannot change in the emergency also. So that's the discussion is going. Yes.
What can be luxury tax?
Luxury tax will get subsumed. No luxury tax. No luxury tax. So need for state level flexibility is there, and therefore you have a band of rates, and that is where the concern is. And of course there will be a lower rate, there might be a special rate for services, and depending on all what is going into all of these, you will have a revenue neutral rate which perhaps can be between equal. So essentially, while we say uniform rate structure, be ready for at least 4 or 5 rates. Zero rate, then maybe for jewelry you might have 2 or 3 or 4%. Then you will have a merit rate of around 10 to 12%. Services might have 16 to 18, and goods might have 18 to 20. So maybe be ready for at least 4 to 5 rates. In the moment you have 4 to 5 rates, there will be classification issues, whether you are in that 8% or whether you are in the 20%, and the debates and all those things will continue.